Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll see the solutions for this chapter, algebraic expressions and identity, which is chapter number 8. So let's start the exercises one by one. There are in total 4 exercises. So we'll see the exercises 8.1. So starting with 8.1 exercise, we have the question as you can see on the side of the screen. Okay. So the first question says, add the following. Okay, so given are the expressions to us, we look for what the like terms. Okay, in the expressions we have studied that like terms gets added up or subtracted, right? So we'll see there are set of expressions given in the first question, first sub part, AB minus BC, comma BC minus CA, comma CA minus AB, and we need to add. So instead of comma, in the next step what we will do is AB minus BC in bracket plus BC minus CA in bracket plus CA minus AB. Now look for the like terms AB. The first term is AB. Look for it AB. Where else? So with bring them together plus AB and minus AB. Again, the second term is minus BC and plus BC, and then minus CA and plus CA. So all the terms are present. I mean, its opposite negative term is also present. So that means all of it will get cancelled up, 0 and 0. So the whole final expression becomes 0. Next, second one, A minus B plus AB minus B minus C plus BC, comma C minus A plus AC. Now again, look for the like terms. So A and minus A, right? Minus B plus B, then plus C and minus C. Again for AB plus BC plus AC. Now minus A plus A gets cancelled, minus B plus B gets cancelled, plus C minus C gets cancelled. Only thing is left is AB plus BC plus AC. Next, question 3, 2PQ square. So again, I'm just writing the questions. So 2P square plus Q square minus 3PQ plus 4. And since we have to add, so put a addition sign between them, minus 3P square Q square. Now look for the like terms again. So P square and Q square and P square Q square, but their numerical factors are different. So just subtract them. So 2P square Q square minus 3P square Q square minus 3PQ and plus 7PQ and plus 4 plus 5. These are the constant terms. So minus 2 minus 3. So minus P square Q square minus 3 plus 7 plus 4 PQ and 4 plus 5 we all know 9. Next, the last question, the first part, that is L square plus M square plus M square plus N square plus N square plus L square plus of 2LM plus 2MN and plus 2LN, or we say NL or LM, same thing. Look for the like terms. So L square, L square. So 2L square, M square plus M square, 2M square, N square plus N square, 2N square, and then plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2LN. That's it. What else we can simplify is that we can take 2 outside common. L square plus M square plus N square plus LM plus MN plus LN. Okay, that's it. Now come to the question number 2, A part. Subtract 4A minus 7B plus 3B plus 12 from this. So that means the first expression will be subtracted from the second expression. So write the second expression first. When I say subtract 4 from 10, so what do you write? 10 minus, so likewise, 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3 in bracket you write, and minus of the first expression 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now open the bracket of the second expression with proper sign. Now see how we open. So 12, the first expression, the first expression in the bracket remains as it is, no changes. So we just open it like plus 5b minus 3. Now for the second expression in the second bracket, you see minus times, this minus will be multiplied to each of the terms inside the bracket. So minus into 1 into 4a is minus 4a. Minus 1 into minus 7, we know that minus minus plus, so plus 7. And minus into plus 3b is minus 3b. And minus 1 into plus 12 is minus 12. So this is how we open the bracket. Many a time a student do make mistake while opening the bracket. Okay, the proper sign of the terms, you have to be careful. Okay, now bring the like terms together. So 12a and 4a becomes what? 8a minus 9ab plus 7ab minus 2ab plus 5b minus 3b plus 2b and minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. This is the answer, the final subtraction. Next, subtract again in the same manner. So you have to write the second expression first. Okay, write down 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Write down in the bracket the first equation. You have to subtract what from this? Minus of, write that in the second bracket, 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay. Now open the second bracket as we have done. Open the bracket. The first bracket opens as it is, minus 2zx plus 10xyz, and again minus, so minus 3xy minus 5yz, and minus into minus becomes plus 7z. Now see the like terms, bring them together. So 5xy and minus 3xy. So it is 2xy minus 2yz minus 5yz. That is minus 7yz minus 2zx plus 7zx. So plus 5zx. And I hope you all are good at integer and do not make mistake. And plus 10xyz has no other like term, so it will just remain like that. C part. Subtract. Now this expression is a little bit bigger, but though we'll see terms by terms. Okay, so copy, you have to subtract again the first expression from the second expression. So write the second expression first. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Now again, during the examination, you have to copy down the expressions, with its proper powers, which terms, which variables has what power. So you have to be careful while copying them, because mistakes do happen there also. You need to cross check your what your actual question is there in the paper. Plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Now again, open the terms. Okay, so the first remains as it is. Okay, 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus of, opening the terms of the second bracket with proper sign of the terms, so minus 4p square q. Okay, then plus 3pq minus 5pq square plus 8p minus 7q plus 10. Now bring the like terms. See the like terms and bring them with its proper sign. So 18, which is the constant terms, 18 and 10, they get added up becomes 28. Now, what about the variable terms? Minus 3p and plus 8p, that is plus 5p. Next, minus 11q and minus 7q, that is minus 18q, plus 5q and plus 3pq, that is 8pq positive. Next, minus 2pq square and minus 5pq square minus 7pq square. Next, plus 5p square q plus 5p square q and minus 4p square q, that is my positive p square q. And then what term is left? Yes, all of the terms have been considered. Okay, so this is the final expression. Okay, so that by this we finished. Come to exercise 8.2. Now in this we have to, earlier the exercise 8.1 consisted of addition and subtraction of the terms. Now here we have to do the product, as you can see the question 1. Okay, question 1, A part, find the product of the pairs of the monomials. The first, it is saying 4 into 7p. Now we, in the product, what we do, we multiply the numerical factor. Now what is the numerical factor? 4 and 7, so it is 28 and p. Second one, minus 4p into 7p. Now again, minus 4p into 7p is minus 4 into 7 is minus 28, and p into p gets added up. If you know, I think you have studied exponents and powers, so you know that when same basis, so the powers gets added up. Next, third one, minus 4p into 7p cube. That is again minus 28 and p square and q. Fourth one, 4p cube into minus 3p. So again, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, and p cube into p, that is 3 plus 1, is p to the power 4. Okay. Question number 2 says what? Find the areas of the rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. That means here, the lengths and breadths are in what? In the terms of what? Monomials. So see, so length and breadth is what? P comma Q. So draw the rectangle. Is what? This we know as length, and the shorter side is called at the breadth, and which is what? Q. And what is the area we know? Area of rectangle we know is length into breadth, that is P into Q, that is PQ. And the unit is square units. Obviously, it's area, so unit is square units. Now come to the second one. L comma B is how much? 10m comma 5n. That means here the length is what? 10m and breadth is 5n. So 10 into 5 is 50, and m into n is mn, square units. Next. Likewise, you can do 20x square comma 5y square. So again, area we know, length into breadth. So 20x square into 5y square. So 20 into 5 is 100. So 100x square y square is square units. Okay, so this is how we will do these type of question. Next question, question number 3. What is saying? Complete the table of product. So first it is saying, see, one monomial is in row and the other is in column. Can you see? So it is being multiplied. So 2x into 2x. If you see for the first row, first column, 2x into 2x becomes 4x square. Likewise, 2x, that is first row and second column, that is 2x into minus 5y will be what? 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 and x, y. This is what? First row, second column. First row, second column. If you see here how I'm doing. That is 2x into minus 5 is what? Minus 10x, y. Likewise, 2x into 3x, 2 into 3 is 6 and 6x cubed. 2x into minus 4xy. So 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 and x into x is x square and y. Likewise, 2x into 7x square y, that is 14x cube y. Likewise, 2x into minus 9x square y square, that is minus 18x cube y square. So this is how we will do the first row. Next, second row, minus 5y into 2x. How we will do? Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 and y into x is yx. Likewise, minus 5 into y into minus 5y. Minus 5 into minus 5 is 25 and y into y is y square. Likewise, we can do all of them. Okay. Next, for the third row, first column, 3x square into 2x. So 3 into 2 is 6 and x square into x is x cube. Likewise, 3x square into minus 5y is what? Minus 15x square y. Okay. Next, likewise, we can do the rest. So minus 4xy into 2x is how much? Minus 8x square y. Likewise, minus 4xy into minus 5 minus 4 into minus 5 is 20 and xy into y is xy square. Okay. The rest we can like this. We can do likewise minus 12x cube y. Okay. Next, 7x square y into 2x, that is 14. Okay. X cube y. Minus 9x square y square minus 18 and x cube and y. Likewise, we can do. So the thing is that we have to multiply and see the variables also as to what powers they will go. This is the main thing. Now coming to obtain the value of the rectangular boxes with the following volume. So volume formula, we know that it is what? Length into breadth into height. Okay, question number 4, if we see. Question number 4. The first part, 5a, 3a square and 7a to the power 4. So volume formula, we know that it is what? Length into breadth into height. So that is 5a into 3a square into 7a to the power 4. So 5 into 3 is 15 and 15 into 7 is 105 and a to the power, how many powers? 4 plus 2, 6 and 1, 7. And this cubic unit. The volume unit is in cube, so cubic unit. Likewise, the second one we can do in the same manner. It is what? 2p, 4q and 8r. So again, the volume is what? Length into breadth into height. So 2p into 4q into 8r. That is 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 into 8 is 64 and PQR cubic units. Okay. Likewise, we can do all of the things. Okay. Of third and fourth also we can do likewise. Question number 5. Coming to question number 5. Obtain the product. So we just have to simply multiply the givens. Okay. YZ into ZX. So XY into YZ into ZX. So multiply x into x becomes x square, y into y becomes y square, and z into z becomes z square. So the product is x square, y square, z square. Okay. Or you can write x, y, z whole power 2. Second one, a into minus a square into a cube. Again, so a into minus a square into a cube. So see here, all of their products is becomes what? Minus a and 1 plus 2 and 3 and 6. So minus a to the power 6. Okay. Likewise, we can do all of the rest. Likewise, suppose if I take the third one or the fifth one, m minus mn and mnp. So when you multiply them, m into minus mn into mnp, that's what? So m to the power 1, 2, 3 power, and minus will be there. Okay, because this is a multiplication of 3 words. I mean, one negative variable is there. So obviously the product or the overall product will have the negative, right, sign. So minus m cube and n square and p. Okay, so likewise we can do the rest. Suppose the fourth one, if you take, I'm doing here only the fourth one, a into 2b into 3c into 6abc. So first multiply the constants factors. 2 into 3, 6, and 6 into 6 is 36. Now the variables, a into a square, b into b square, okay, and c into c is c square. So the result is 36 a square, b square, c square. Okay. Likewise, we can do. Okay, so that's it. In the exercise 8.2 done. Now coming to exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3. Question 1. What does it say? Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pair. Now here, the expressions are given and you have to multiply again the product. So 4p into q plus r. So q plus r is the expression, okay, the single expression. It is what? Binomial. So we'll put it in a bracket. Now each of the terms, that is 4p, will be multiplied to each of the terms of the second expression. So when you open the bracket, so 4p into q plus 4p into r. So 4pq plus 4pr. Okay. Likewise, the second, ab into a minus b. Again, each of the term will be multiplied inside the brackets with proper sign. So ab into a is a square b minus of ab into b is what? A b square. Okay. Likewise, we can do the rest. Okay. Fourth one I'm doing. A square minus 9 into 4a. So each of the term inside, I mean, this bracket will be multiplied to 4a. So a square into 4a will be what? 4a cube minus 9 into 4a is 36a. Okay. That we do. Now this question number second, complete the table. You need to find the product. Okay. So basically you need to find, so a will be multiplied to each of the term. That will be ab plus ac plus ad. Okay. Likewise, when you see question number 2. Okay. So again you can multiply. I mean x plus y minus 5 into what? 5xy. So 5xy into x will be 5x square y plus y into 5xy will be 5x y square, and minus of 5 into 5 is 25xy. So we can write here is the result is 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Okay, likewise we can do the rest. Coming to question number 3. Find the product. So again, same base is there. Okay, the variable is same, 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. So we multiply their what? Constant factors. They are what? 1, 2, and 4. So its multiplication is 8. And a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26. That is 8a to the power how much? 26 plus 24 is 50. Likewise, the second question, 2 by 3xy multiplied by minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Okay, so again multiply what? The constants factor 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Okay, and into x square becomes x cube, and y into y square becomes y cube. And we can cancel 3 and minus 3 times, and 2 and 10 5 times. So minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. Okay, so this is how we will multiply, okay, the rest of it. Next, question number 4. Simplify and find its value. So first of all, the given expression, you will simplify, that is 3x, 4x minus, that is product of two expressions. So again, you multiply each of the terms. So 3x into 4x, that is 12x square minus 3x into 5. This is how much? 15x. So this is our expression simplified, and then you have to find it for two values of x. For x is equal to 3. That means in place of x, we will put 3 in the above expression. So 12 into 3 square minus 5 into 3. So 12 into 3 square is 9. So 12 into 9 is 108 minus of 15 into 3 is 45. So you can do 108 minus 45, which is how much? 108 minus 45, 63. Okay. So that's it. And for the second value, that is x, for x is equal to 1 by 2, again in place of, the expression was 12x square, right? So 12x square minus 15x it was. So 12 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus 15 into 1 by 2. So 12 into 1 by 4, we can see it, we can simplify. So 3 minus 15 upon 2. So we can take an LCM. Okay, so that is 2 is the LCM, and 6 minus of 15, that is minus 9 upon 2. Okay, so for different values of x, we are getting different value of the expression. Now question 5. Likewise, we can do the second one also. Okay, add. Okay, now it is saying add given expressions are p into p minus q plus q into q minus r plus r into r minus p. Okay. So open it first. P square minus pq plus q square minus qr plus r square minus rp. Now add them. So p square plus q square plus r square. Okay. Minus pq minus qr minus r. So this is how it is done. Okay. Likewise, the second also we can do the same. And let's look at C part. It is saying subtract this expression, that is the first expression, from the second expression. So we have to simplify both of the expression first. So simplify, that is 3l l minus 4m plus 5n. First simplify it. So it will be 3l square, okay, minus 12lm plus 15ln. And the second expression from which we have to subtract is 4l 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Okay, so open it. So 410 is 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 l square. Now from this expression, we have to subtract the previous expression. So write down. So 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 l square in bracket, minus of which expression? 3L square minus 12LM, 3L square minus 12LM plus 15LM. Now open the brackets carefully. 40L minus 12LM plus 8L square minus 3L square minus minus plus 12LM and minus 15LN. Now look for the like term. 40LN minus 15LN. How much? 25LN minus 12LN plus 12 gets cancelled. So 0. 8L square minus 3L. So that is plus 5L square. This is the, so the rest we can do in the same. So this we have come to end of exercise 8.3. Now next exercise, which is 8.4. Okay, so in the 8.4 exercise, question 1 says multiply the binomial. Okay, so the two binomials are given. So see how we multiply. So 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. So each of the terms of the first binomial will be multiplied to each of the terms of the second binomial. That is 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 multiplied to 4x minus 3. So 2x, now open it. So 2x into 4x is 8x square minus 6x and plus 20x minus 15. So just look for the like term. So 8x square minus 6x plus 20x is plus 14x and minus. So this is how we do it. Okay, now the second one, y minus 8 multiplied by 3y minus 4. So again, first term of the first binomial will be multiplied to the whole minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So y into 3y is 3y square minus 4y. Okay, minus 24y plus 32. So look for the like term. So 3y square minus 4y minus 24y is minus 28y and plus 30. So this is how we do rest of the questions. Next question number 2. Okay. Find the product. Again the same thing. Okay. So 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. So see 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. So 5 into 3, 15 plus 5x minus 2x into 3 is how much? Minus 6x and minus 2x into plus x is minus 2x squared. Now look for the like thing. So 15, 5x minus 6x is minus x and minus 2x squared. So this is how we do. Likewise, the rest of the questions we can do. In the third question, this is asking the same thing. Okay, so first question you see x square minus 5 and into x plus 5 and plus of 25. So what we do, these two binomials are in product, so we'll simplify them first. Okay, so see here, so x square into x plus 5 minus of 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. So plus 25 minus 25 get cancelled. So the final expression we are left is with x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Okay, then. So likewise, we do the rest. You can take any of the expressions like this, first simplify them and then do the rest. Now, if you see the eighth one, a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. So again, each of the terms of the first trinomial will be multiplied to the second trinomial. So a into a plus b minus c plus b into a plus b minus c plus c into a plus b minus c. Okay, so likewise we open a square plus ab minus ac plus ab plus b square minus bc plus ac plus bc minus c square. Now look for the like terms. Okay, so a square plus b square minus c square will be written. So plus ab plus AB and 2 times. So that is plus 2AB. Next, minus AC plus AC cancelled, and minus BC plus BC cancelled. So this is the final answer. Okay, so likewise, we can do rest of the questions of the same exercise. So that's it we have in this video. Thank you.